Hey guys, welcome back to another Gorilla Tag video. I haven't been really good at wall runs, really just practicing that, so give this video a like, and this is my first Gorilla Tag video too. I can do it once, see I can do it once or twice, but if anybody could join my room or something. My name's Gabe's Good. But anyway, yeah, I'm not very good at wall runs. I can do it once, like I just did it. I can run. So I'm okay at climbing trees. I think the best thing I'm at is, besides running on the ground, is this game is like a workout. I don't know why. It's so pretty. But a hacker joined my lobby the other day and just ruined the game. So I haven't been really playing much. I was trying to play with some other kids I'd met. And, yeah. It just didn't go well. So, as you can see, I'm still practicing. I got the movement down. I just wish that somebody could coach me, but Gorilla Tag coaches, I haven't been able to find one. Searching and searching and searching, but still no luck. So anyways, I hope you guys want to see more Gorilla Tag content. I might join some ghost Gorilla Tag servers, I don't know. But anyways, yeah. Bye. Later, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave some thumbs up and subscribe, please.